बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आज हम आपसे जिस फौजी जवान का जिक्र करेंगे जिन्होंने निशाने हैदर हासिल किया वो हैं सवार मोहम्मद हुसैन। सवार मोहम्मद हुसैन जंजवा 18 जून 1949 को ज़िला रावलपिंडी की तहसील गोजरहान के एक गांव ढोक पीर बख्श में पैदा हुए। उन्होंने 3 सितंबर 1966 को महज 17 साल की उम्र में पाक फौज में बतौर ड्राइवर शमूलियत अख्तियार की और ड्राइवर होने की वजह अमली जंग में भी भरपूर हिस्सा लिया। उन्होंने पाक भारत जंग में हिस्सा लिया और 10 दिसंबर 1971 को शाम 4 बजे भारतीय फौज की मशीन गन से निकली गोलियां उनके सीने पर लगीं और वो वहीं हाल के हकीकी से जा मिले। उनकी इस बहादुरी के इतराफ़ में पाक फौज ने उन्हें आला तरीन फौजी इज़्ज़त निशाने हैदर से नवाजा। सवार मोहम्मद हुसैन जंजवा was a soldier in the Pak Army and was the 8th soldier to be awarded the highest military award of Pakistan, the Nishan-e-Haider, and the only soldier of the Pakistan Armed Corps to be given this award. He is known for destroying 16 tanks with the recoilless rifle in the 1971 Indo-Pak War. Hussain was born in the village of Dhok Pir Bakhsh into a Punjabi Janjwa Rajput family on 18 January 1949 to Rose Ali, a farmer. Hussain was married to Arzan Bibi and had 2 children at the time of his death. His daughter was a little over 2 years old and his son Munawwar Hussain was 3 months old. Sarwar did not have a chance to see his son due to being in the army. Sawar Mohammad Hussain enlisted into the Pakistan Armed Corps as a private driver on 3 September 1966 at the age of 17 and later joined the 20th Lancers on 23rd May 1967. Although he was a driver in the Armored Corps, he would take part in every battle his unit got engaged in during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971. On 5 December 1971 in the Zaffarwal Shakkargarh area, he crawled from trench to trench under heavy enemy fire to deliver ammunition. On 10th December 1971, he took part in a dangerous mission and went out for reconnaissance and to fight enemy patrols. During reconnaissance near the village Harar Hurd, he spotted enemy tanks and on his own initiative directed a recoilless rifle crew towards the enemy and destroyed 16 enemy tanks. He was hit in the chest by a burst of machine gun 5 and killed while as he was directed fire from recoilless rifles. After his death, his father proudly said, "My son received bullets on his chest like a lion." Naib Rasaldar Ali Nawab and Lance Defender Abdur Rahman picked up his body from the battlefield. Hussain was buried in a makeshift military graveyard in Shakkargarh, but his body was later excavated and buried in his native village of Dhok Pir Bakhsh. जी नाज़रीन, ये कुछ तफसील उनके बारे में इंग्लिश में थी। उर्दू में बहुत कम था इसलिए हमने इंग्लिश में पढ़ा। अगर हमसे جو بھی تلفظ کی غلطی ہوئی اس کے لیے معذرت۔ اس کے بعد حکومت پاکستان نے آپ کی بہادری کو دیکھتے ہوئے آپ کو نشان حیدر سے نوازا اور آپ کے گاؤں ڈوک پیر بخش کا نام حکومت نے محمد حسین ڈھوک رکھ دیا۔ امید ہے آپ کو یہ ویڈیو پسند آئے گی۔ اس ویڈیو کو لائک بھی کریں، چینل کو سبسکرائب کر دیں۔ آپ کا شکریہ۔ اللہ حافظ۔